The aerodynamics of the car are hugely important to a Formula One car. We find every surface, as soon as the car's moving, has an effect. So we're using the aerodynamic forces for downforce generation. We're trying to minimise drag. We're also using them for cooling as well. We found that we needed to look at the aero consistency of the surfaces, that we try and improve the durability of those surfaces throughout the race. There's many factors that can affect the car performance throughout the race. There's damage from other cars, there's debris on the track, there's organic matter and tyre debris as well. The best way really to describe it is if we can have a consistent, clean model on the car, then we've got the best we can get from it. We choose G-Technique Aerocoat to apply to our cars because the Aerocoat provides us with a consistent surface for the air to flow over. It stops debris sticking to it, but allows fundamentally our cars to continue without fear of lap time loss throughout the course of the event. We benchmarked over 20 products from various markets around the world, the UK, Europe, Asia and America. And out of all of those tests we found the G-Technique Aerocoat gave us the most consistent surface and potential for lap time gain throughout the race. If we didn't use G-Technique Aerocoat on the car, we would still go round and round on the track. However, we believe there is some lap time gain to be found by using the product and keeping the aerodynamics as stable as possible. The C0 Aerocoat is applied at 2 points throughout its process. As the car is built here and the components of the car are finalised, we quality check them and then we apply the coatings here in a controlled environment. And then we also have the ability, because it's ease of application, we can send it to the track as well. So if there's any repairs have to be done, or there's any areas of the car that need topping up on coating, this can be done trackside as well by our technicians in the garage. I would say there's a lot of benefit in using the G-Technique products on road cars. We find it just gives us a very aesthetically pleasing product, as well as something that remains clean and durable throughout the course of our short races of only 2 hours. But I'm very aware that the products last much longer than we use them for. We find that over time they also get slightly better, so on a road car with a longer period between applications, they would definitely be a benefit over that length of time.